Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start!
First, draw a straight line in the middle of the page. Now, draw 2 slanted lines on the sides. Next, curve the corners and connect the bottom. Our cute ice cream cup is ready. Now, let's draw 2 big, shiny kawaii eyes. Draw 1 circle on the left side and another on the right side.
Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings.
Make both eyes the same size. Next, add 2 tiny sparkle circles inside each eye. Now color the eyes black and leave the sparkles white. So cute already! Add tiny eyelashes and a sweet little smile in the middle. Aw, adorable! Now let's draw the yummy rainbow ice cream. Draw a big rainbow shape on top of the cup. Next, add smaller rainbow layers inside.
Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. Your rainbow ice cream is looking amazing already. Now, draw a wavy cream shape on top. Erase the extra lines inside the cream. It looks super yummy. Draw 2 slanted lines for the stick. Now, connect the end with a curve. Now, draw tiny hearts around the ice cream.
You can add as many hearts as you want.
Let's start coloring.
Now, grab your favorite markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and let's make our drawing super bright and cute. Color the cup pink. Use rainbow colors for the ice cream layers. Color the cream peach and the stick light yellow. Finally, color the hearts red and add cute highlights to make them pop. Wow! Your rainbow ice cream cup looks super cute. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for drawing with me.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching,